Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good
बेटा
morning,
गुड
ma'am.
मॉर्निंग बेटे. रिधिमा, चेंज योर नेम बेटा. करण लांबा के नाम से लिखा हुआ आ रहा है आपका.
Yes, ma'am. Changing.
हाँ हाँ. Why was Payal not there in my class yesterday?
Ma'am, due to network issues.
What happened?
I was trying to join for 10 minutes, but it was showing ki not network not connected, internet not connected again and again.
Okay. So did you miss my class? I too missed you a lot in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about Lakshanya? You were also not
Good
there.
morning,
Good morning, Ayush.
ma'am. Name change.
Name change? Then who is this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Angel and
Okay.
ma'am, his sister.
Okay. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Utkarsh. Okay. See, yesterday in the class, there were, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 students were there in the class yesterday. Right? And you know how many have sent their work? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 students have sent the work.
Ma'am, I have sent on your WhatsApp.
An activity or work?
Activity, beta, activity. Okay, who Aditya has sent on my personal window. You have sent the
Yes,
work.
ma'am.
Let me check. अब कैसे देखें? आपका नाम तो फीड होगा नहीं बच्चे. ओके. भव्या
Can
त्यागी.
we search the number?
बेटा भव्या त्यागी का तो मिल गया हमें, बट आदित्य का okay, Aditya Kumar, right? Got for Aditya. Can you share it on the class group after the class is over? Okay, share it after the class is over in the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Aditya Gupta or Aditya Kumar Gangwar.
Yes,
Aditya
ma'am.
Kumar Gangwar. Okay, not Gupta but Gangwar. Fine. Okay. Who else has sent on my personal number?
Ma'am, I sent on the group.
Agrima, acha, हाँ ठीक है. I would like to tell you one thing. You know, when we say collage making, have you ever observed, like yesterday I shared a picture with you of the collage that was made. Were you able to find any empty spaces in between that collage making which was there, class? Those who were there yesterday? No. I think
Ma'am.
only one child has done the way it was done in that picture. Rest all have left certain spaces in between. Even for Angel also, Angel, she has also done the way it was done in that picture. But many of you did not cover the whole space. See, whenever collage making is done, it is always ensured that the whole space, that page, single page that you are using is covered. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Like,
Ma'am, actually, I don't like any kind of overlapping. That's why I stick the pictures very steadily.
that is why I said, no, you have covered the whole thing, but then collage making is done that way only. The overlapping part is only required in that. Like Ridhima, she has covered the central space properly, right? This is how you go for it. And if like you, maybe you could not get more of the cuttings, that is why you have not covered the outer spaces. But then this is also good. It is good the way you have done it. Then Karthik Chauhan. Karthik, you have left several spaces in between. The written,
Yes, ma'am.
the written part that you did, you could have done it you could have written it on pieces of pages, and then those pages, those pieces you could have stick to the page. Shabbily काट लेते उसको साइड से कुछ लिख देते, or it would have come out to be
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. So if you
Ma'am, I can do it today.
what you can do in the same thing, you can paste some more cuttings or some more headings you can add. Navya, you have also done the same way, though it is appreciable that you did your work in time and you posted it on time, but still you need to cover the spaces. Alin, very good, nicely done, but then again I'll tell you the spaces that you have left, you can cover those spaces, right Alin?
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Okay,
Ved, very good, but again you can always write it on pieces of pages, and then you can stick them, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavya, excellent. Agrima, excellent. Again, spaces we don't need, so try not to leave spaces, right? Angel, I saw your work, very good. But the best I liked was of Alishba. Alishba has written, she has done everything the way it was required. Beautifully done, Alishba. Beautifully. This tab you have drawn, is Alishba there in the class today? No, she's not there.
No, ma'am, she's not. But yeah, it's all made by her.
Beautiful, beautifully done. See, she has not even stick the head like newspaper cuttings, but the way she has done, she has written the headings on the pieces of papers, and then she has stick them, right? So this is how you go for a collage, right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So today we are going for 2 more activities, right? And those who are not attending the classes regularly, please be regular. Niruz, you were not there in the last 2 classes which we had. Why so?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because my phone was in service center.
3 classes you have missed.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, theek hai. Try to be regular, it is fine. If genuine reasons are there, then it is okay.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, I am sharing the screen with you all. Please be ready. Share screen. This, and we go ahead. Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, you can see, no? Fine. इसको बड़ा कैसे करा जाए? ठीक है, इसको हम maximize.
And double.
हाँ, I am maximizing it. Wait. ठीक है. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, these are two drawings are given to you. What you have to do is, you have to identify the kind of pollution being caused in the second picture, and the first picture that you have. Can you roughly draw it in the geography notebook itself,
Yes, ma'am.
and label the numbers that are given over there? You have
This
to
is water cycle.
them and you have to label it. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
And by the time you are doing this, I'll take your attendance.
Ma'am, we have to send this work in group also.
Yes, beta, of course, we are doing it in the class. You have to send it.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please tell it again what to do?
These 2 pictures that are on the screen, you need to draw the first picture in your geography notebook. You need to name the diagram and you have to label it. Like where 1 is written, where 2 is written, where 3, 4, 5 is written. You need to label these numbers, right? And in the second picture, once you are done with the first one, let me know, I'll scroll it. And in the second picture, you have to identify the kinds of pollution which are being caused in this particular picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. How is the weather outside?
Ma'am, it's
I'm
going to
cozy.
rain.
nice.
It's raining.
Cold and about to rain.
It is about to rain. Dark clouds have covered the sun, and last 2-3 days we are experiencing early monsoon period, isn't it? 3 showers, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Alind is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Arav? Do we have Arav in the class? No. Aditi Gupta?
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Kumar Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Mishra? Agrima Singh?
I'm present, ma'am.
Agrima is there? Okay. Then Alisba is not there. Angel?
Present, ma'am.
Angel Anand?
Present, ma'am.
Ansh Patel? Anushka Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
Beta, yesterday you left the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
And there was some medical issues.
When I wrote that you are not in the meeting in the class group, you should have responded no.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ऐसा कुछ होता है तो बेटा do let me know that what is the reason why you have left. Fine. Ayush Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Ayushi Vashisht? Not there. Bhavya Tyagi?
Yeah, present, ma'am.
Chaitanya Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Kartik Chauhan?
Present, ma'am.
Kartik? Kartike? Only Kartike is not there. Okay. Khushi Rathod? Krishna Gupta? Krishna Gupta? Okay. Then Lakshanya?
Present, ma'am.
Beta, you are also not regular. Try to be regular to the classes. We hardly have 2 classes in a day, in a week, I think. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Laksh Kumar? Meghavi Prasar is not there. Mohammad Fahem? Muskan Chaudhary?
Present, ma'am.
Navya Goyal? Navya is not there. Niruz?
Present, ma'am.
Payal?
Present, ma'am.
Pranjal Gupta?
Present, ma'am.
Then Pratyush Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Priya Gangwar? Do we have Priya Gangwar in the class? No. Ridhima Lamba?
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Saksham Sahu?
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Swastik Sansaria? Do we have Swastik in the class? Swastik is not there. Then Tanishka Chaudhary?
Present, ma'am.
Tarini? Is not there. Utkarsh Singh Tomar?
Present, ma'am.
Ved Agarwal?
Present.
Okay. Vidushi?
Present, ma'am.
Then Yash Raj Yadav? Yashraj is not there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to label the diagram where we have made, or on the next page we can write
Where
by
you have
points.
made. No. Where you have made. Right.
Okay.
Label it there itself. Fine. All those who were not there in the class
I'm
yesterday, just a second. Those who were not there in the class yesterday, they need to do their activity of collage making today and send me the work. And today, if I don't receive from you people, I'll give you 0 for this activity. These are your internal assessments, activities, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for everyone, you need to give your work. Any idea why this girl Ayushi Vashisht is not joining her classes? Is she there in the group, class group?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she hardly joins
Yes,
the
ma'am.
class.
She hardly joins her class. This is really not done.
Then we have to color the diagram also.
No. If you have time, you do it. Otherwise, it is okay.
Ma'am, I just made it so I can color it.
Ma'am, the first diagram is water cycle, right?
Hey, it is a suspense. I'll ask you one by one. Let me see what others are writing, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Who was this?
Ma'am, me, Angel.
Huh?
Ma'am, Angel.
Angel Anand or only Angel?
Ma'am, only Angel.
Okay. Beta Angel, check your chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to send on WhatsApp, or we have to show here.
On the class group. On the class group, you have to send.
Ma'am, please scroll a little bit up. No, I'm not down, ma'am. Up. Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done first activity.
Ma'am, send.
But it is not very clear. Shadow is there. I am not able to read out. Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you resend this image because the shadow is coming and I am
Okay,
not
ma'am.
able to read what is written now.
Ma'am, I also send.
Ma'am, send.
Checking, beta, checking. It has started raining outside, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Such a pleasant weather, huh? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
And on top of it, we are doing geography, water cycle only, right? Chapter related to
Yes,
water.
ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, it is not raining in Faridpur.
It is so deprived one classes. I can't help it. Acha, Faridpur, it is not raining. I thought everywhere it is raining.
No, ma'am, it is not
Ma'am,
raining.
ma'am, in IFCO also some drops are starting.
Okay.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am, in my
Ayurveda,
area, it's no raining. Just a weather of rain.
Arey, but here in Bareilly, where I stay near Phoenix Mall, it is raining badly.
Ma'am, it is raining so heavily.
Yes, yes, it is.
Ma'am, it is like dark over my place.
It is
ma'am,
no.
in our colony, there is no water droplet on the street.
Seriously, Aditya. Seriously.
Yes, ma'am. Only it's a
Ma'am,
windy.
but my
Acha.
skies are wet but no raining.
This is
Ma'am, in my area, there is no rain. Only
Oh.
wind is blowing.
But then ठीक है ठंडी हवा
Yes,
is
ma'am,
also-
in my area.
हाँ ठीक है, it will also do, at least it is not hot, huh? The way yesterday.
Ma'am, it's not there.
Okay, Utkarsh, is it raining over there?
No, ma'am, it's not there.
Seriously? I thought कि संजय नगर तो पास ही है. आप कहाँ रह रहे हो? दिल्ली में हो ना आजकल?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो दिल्ली में कहाँ से बारिश होगी जब यहाँ बरेली में हो रही है? तो बरेली दिल्ली में तो 2 दिन पहले हो गई थी, I believe.
And what? Hello.
Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Sent on WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, I'm checking. Just check.
Ma'am, in second picture, we also have to make it.
Ma'am, we have to make the second picture or give the answer only.
For second picture, only answer. No need to draw it.
We have to write the answer in the chat box of second picture.
No, you have to write. You can send the answer in the chat box as well as in the class group also. Write the question, identify the kinds of pollution being caused in the given picture and give the answer. Right?
Ma'am, send the second answer.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm checking the class group.
No, ma'am, in chat.
Chat box, I'll check.
Ma'am, I sent it the answer on the chat box.
Ma'am, I've sent it on the class group, the first activity.
Ma'am, send the answer on chat box.
Ma'am, send the answer.
Ma'am, now in my area, it is raining heavily.
It has become little pleasant over here after the rain started. Nice.
Yes, ma'am, cozy and cooling.
Exactly. Fine.
The
Vidushi.
weather is becoming cloudy here. Now I guess it will rain here.
It will rain definitely.
Ma'am, from last 3 days at night, yes,
Huh.
raining heavily.
Every night it is raining. I know. Yesterday also it rained. Neeru's, okay, very good.
Ma'am, today is one of the best weathers to see.
And especially when you are having your online classes, you can sit outside also, enjoy the rains, enjoy the classes. And mama
Yes,
serves
ma'am.
hot pakoras to you all people. Right?
And that is what right now is going.
I know, I know.
Ma'am, but if we were in school, it had more fun.
It would have been good or bad?
Ma'am, it would have
Ma'am,
been
but
more fun.
Ah, right, right.
it is like we are studying from morning to night.
Exactly. When you got up in the morning, it was a little like bright, but now all of
Light.
a sudden, yes. Now all of a sudden that brightness has gone and
Ma'am,
black.
12 hours of study.
But do we actually do 12 hours of study? Do we actually do that?
I mean 2 days. I mean 5 days. 12 hours study.
Yes, in 5 days we do 12 hours ka study, huh? Okay, fine.
And I guess on this year also, and school is not open.
हाँ बेटा, I don't think so. सी देखो बच्चे बच्चे भविष्य होते हैं किसी देश का, तो जो देश का भविष्य है उसको सबसे पहले संभाल के रखना होता है हमको, तो इसलिए जो है स्कूल सबसे आखिरी में खुलेंगे, बाकी सब तो अनलॉकिंग का काम चलते ही रहेगा. बट बच्चे आर द टॉप प्रायोरिटीज. ओके.
Ma'am, send the answer in the chat box.
I have checked.
Ma'am, send the answer in WhatsApp group and chat box.
And you have to send the second question.
Only 14 answers I have got for the first activity in the class group, and the students present are
25.
And when the class started, there were 27 students.
one has left. Who has left? Let me check. I think Anushka. Is Anushka there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Anushka is there. Who is left then? I think
Ma'am, if we want, we can draw the second picture also in our copy.
yes, if you want, if you have time, you can draw, no issues.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Okay.
Ma'am, please send these pictures on WhatsApp group.
Okay, I am sending it then. Let me share it.
Ma'am, now it's raining.
Now it's
Yes,
raining.
ma'am, in my area too.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, now
Ma'am,
it is raining.
heavily.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. But I have shared the pictures.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
we have to draw the second diagram too.
Second diagram you can draw if you have time. I think we have got 10 minutes left.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can draw.
Now it's raining very, very heavily.
Now that means everywhere it has
Yes,
rained.
ma'am.
Good,
Yes, ma'am.
good. That's really very nice.
Ma'am, when it's rain, a fresh air comes.
You said something, Aditya?
Ma'am, I said that when it's rain, a fresh air comes.
This is what wind.
Ma'am, it has started to rain.
It started raining at your place, Angel?
Yes, ma'am, in Green Park it's raining.
Okay, very good. See, thanks to the wind that is blowing.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you enjoyed your today's class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now quickly,
Yes, ma'am.
quickly, what is the first diagram? Aditya,
Ma'am, water cycle.
water cycle. Very good. Lakshanya,
Yes, ma'am.
first one. Label the first.
Evaporation.
It is evaporation. Very good. Second part. Angel Anand. Angel Anand, second part. Seems she's not there. Agrima,
Yes, ma'am, it's condensation.
very good. It is condensation. Third one. Ayush Agarwal.
Transpiration.
It is transpiration. Very good.
Trans
Very good. Fourth one. Fourth one. Let Muskan answer this question. Muskan, fourth one. Okay, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Utkarsh. Utkarsh. Precipitation. And fifth one. Vidushi.
Percolation.
It is percolation. Very good. Now, what kind of pollution is being done, is being caused by, in the picture that is shown, Karthik Chauhan.
Ma'am, air pollution.
Okay. And Krishna Gupta, are you there? No, he is not there. Laksh Kumar. Laksh Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
what kind of pollution is being caused in the picture?
Ma'am, water and air.
Okay, water and air pollution.
Ma'am, can it be land also?
Yes, ma'am. It is land pollution also because ma'am,
It can
we
be,
can see.
see, because you can see the trucks are moving.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, and waste is on the bank of river also.
Ha, ha. So it is land pollution as well, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is all the three: air, water, and land pollution is being caused in the given picture. Fine. Okay, children, by Monday, send me your chapter 3 work as well. Only I think Angel has sent me the work. Angel, I could not check it. I'll see to it and I'll let you know what all things you have not done. I think you have covered up everything in your work.
Yes, ma'am. I totally forgot to send the map work, but I have done. Ma'am, I'll send it.
Fine. You send it again. Okay. Or you
Ma'am,
resend that.
only 2 questions are left.
Fine. Do it and by make sure that by Monday you all have sent your work on the class group. Sunday evening 5 to 6, between 5 to 6 you will be sending your work, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Okay, ma'am. And next class we'll start with the next chapter of geography. That is, what is the name of the next chapter?
Ma'am, I think it's
Natural vegetation and wildlife resources.
Very good. It is a very interesting chapter. Natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's fine. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, Payal, do send your work. I'll be waiting for your collage, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I send my collage now?
You can send it. Those who have done it, they can send it in the class group.
Ma'am, may I send my map work now?
Send it on my personal number, Angel, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm saying.
Okay, let me check. C section. Very good. Okay, fine. The meeting is going to end any time.